Okay, this is quite a handy little shortcut or tip that you can use when building your slide deck for the students. You know, when we're writing our list of the words that we want the students to syllabify, or the words that we want them to add prefixes to, we're quite often writing lists into our slide deck. And when you hit return, it automatically capitalizes the word that you have just finished typing. We don't want list words to be capitalized because it's not grammatically correct, and it's really important that we are always modeling correct punctuation and grammar to the students. But we can get around it this way. So if I go over here to this box where it says when writing a list, and I'll pretend that I'm going to be writing words for the syllables. So if I write syllable there and hit return, you can see that it capitalized. If I press delete, that goes away. And if I keep doing that and I hit return, if I hit delete, it goes away. And we don't wind up with a whole lot of capital letters that we don't want, but I've only just had to press that one button to make it disappear, which is what we want. Previously, you would have to go and select the D and delete the capital D and then type in a lowercase d. If we do it this way, we can save ourselves a lot of time. I hit return again. And the time where I hit return, if I hit delete now, you can see it hasn't worked. It has to be immediate. So let's try that again. If I write time, press return, if I hit delete, then it will work. But if you've already done another action, it won't. So you need to make sure you do it immediately. It also comes in handy when we're writing phrases. We do write quite a few phrases when we're doing our lessons as well. So if I wanted to write find the vowel for, and it was an open-ended phrase, I could write find. When I hit the space bar, you can see it's capitalized. Same thing again, if I press delete, it takes that capitalized letter away. And I can have a correctly punctuated phrase sitting there for the students without having the time-consuming problem of going back and selecting and deleting and inserting, etc. So if I try that for another one, I could put my little phrase here for, say, capital letters. You'll see I didn't immediately go back. If I press delete, all I'm going to be doing is deleting letters because the same rule applies. So we'll try it again. I'll write capital, press the space bar, immediately press delete, and now I can write letters, and you can see it worked that way. So it just sometimes takes a little bit of getting used to, but you do get into that habit fairly quickly. When you know it's going to happen, you hit return or you hit the space bar, immediately hit delete, and that auto capitalization will no longer be there.